Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with another product for you. This is the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. So I do have another version of this, but it's time to swap it out. So I want to go ahead and open this box up, show you guys what we have here, and we're going to check out some of the features of this particular blender system. Just to let you know, it does have a 72-ounce pitcher. It has a 8-cup food processor, two 32-ounce cups, 1400 watts of peak power, and it's supposed to crush ice perfectly. Definitely want to find out. And also has some type of auto IQ system, which are just a button press away from making any one of these wonderful things here at the bottom. So we have smoothies, crush ice, extract, chop, and dough. So I'm not going to be doing everything, but I am going to do a couple of things. So let's go ahead and open the box. Let's see what we have in here. Go ahead and put the box down over here. Let me just read you what it says here. I think most of it I already got. The one thing I did forget to mention was it does supposedly come with a recipe inspiration guide. So that's very inspirational. So first thing we have, Ninja Quick Start Guide. Ninja Quick Start Guide. 30 irresistible recipes we have there. And what do we have here? This is the dough blade. This is the blade right here for mixing dough. And I don't mean money, I mean dough, like for making bread and cookies, you know. Sorry to disappoint you guys. All right, let's see what else we got here. Whoa, whoa. For all you guys that like to get the big gulps and stuff like that, this Ninja blender is for you. Look at the size of that cup. 32-ounce cup. That's like smoothie time for the family. All right, here we go. We got 32-ounce cup. We have the 72-ounce pitcher. Very nice. Ooh, what does it say? I don't know. Throw that away. There we go. Nice pitcher. It looks just like all of the other pitchers I've ever had from Ninja. And it has the blade in it. So here's the blade. Here is the pitcher. And the blade does look a little bit different than the previous blade. It looks like a little bit thicker and maybe shorter. I'm not sure. It looks like they might have changed the design a little bit on the blade. Looks like to me anyhow. The pitcher, it feels still pretty good. Still pretty good compared to some of the other stuff I felt. So that's a 72-ounce right there. We have the cap for it right here. Get out of there. All right. So what do we have here? Tape. Let's see, press and release and lift up the handle. Arrow aligns the lid jar. All right, this top is different too than the previous top. This actually is like locking and clicking. I don't know if the other one was that kind of like, oh look, you can't even lower the top here at all. You can't lower it without actually having it on. So you have your little area right here you can lift up. And you can pour it. Does that stay locked? No. Yeah, it does. So you can kind of pour once you have it on there. That's pretty cool. And then this goes on top and you have to have this arrow. Right here, you have an arrow. Right here, you have an arrow, and those two have to be lined up. The top is definitely different as well. You got to kind of line it up and then you lock it in. It's definitely different. So they have changed the design a bit. Let me see something here real quick. So this actually has like a pouring spout. I got to check my other one. I'm gonna kind of compare the two and see what the difference is. But this top, it goes in a little bit differently than before. You see, it's kind of like sticking up. The other one, you should just sit flat. So I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not, but it does clip into place and it seems pretty secure. So there's our blender. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. We have the second 32-ounce cup. Wow. So I wonder if these fit on the other blender or if the other blender cup fit on this blender, because I do have some smaller ones. So there we go. We have two of those. And it says Ninja on it. Ninja. Okay, then we have, this is the food processor. I don't know what you want to call it, container, bowl, thingamajiggy. And it has a little top here. I don't know what you do with that right there. I don't know what you pour in that tiny little hole, but we're gonna have to find out. And that kind of clips in, same type of deal. Has an arrow, and an arrow. And those both clip together, and then you have your blade. It looks really nice. Looks like a nice blade. So these arrows, they go together like that actually, and then that clips down. So then you have that. All All right, and last but not least, we actually have the base. Oh, actually, we have something else. Lid for the cup. So this is the lid, and this is actually the blade, which I didn't show. So that's the blade right there for making your smoothies or blending whatever it is that you're going to blend. So that goes on there, and then after you're done, then you take that off and you put your lid on. You can take this cup with you wherever you want, like that. Nice big cup. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the base out of here. Ooh, try not to break it. I think we might have broke it already. Ugh, nice and heavy. So you do have some suction cups for the feet to hold it down onto the counter. And this is the brand new looking front here with the IQ. Nice, Ninja. All right, let's go ahead and take this wire tie off. Okay, so let's see how this goes on here. So before, sometimes they have a problem of getting this on here. You can see you can put it on here or here, I guess. So you can kind of put it on either spot. So there, you can clip it in. Or let's see if you put it this way, can you still do it? I guess it's right-handed or left-handed. So if you're left-handed, you put it on here probably. And if you're right-handed, you put it on over here. And if you're ambidextrous, you're just going to drive yourself crazy because you don't know what to do. But anyhow, all right, so let's see. Does this actually stick to the counter? Doesn't really. It's not really like totally stuck, but it kind of doesn't move. I mean, it seems okay. And the other one maybe used to stick a little bit more, but it was really hard to move it. So it has some handles on the sides right here that you can use to pick it up. There we go. It's like having Spider-Man stuck on your counter. So that one clips on pretty easily. Let's see this other one here. This one goes on. Oh, that one goes on a lot tighter. This one's like really tight on there. Let's see this one. That one goes on a lot tighter. This one is like feels a little bit looser. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes. Am I missing something down here? What's the difference? This has a circle at the bottom and the other one doesn't. I wonder if that circle is holding it in place. Seems like it might be. Or maybe you need more strength to hold that in than you do to hold the other thing in. I don't know. All right, and then you also have the drink cup, and these are going to go in here like this. You got to kind of line them up, and you push it in, and clip it into place. There you go. So we have everything. Okay, and finally we have a couple of books here from Ninja. We have a quick start guide, 30 irresistible recipes, and then we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look at the recipe guide here, see what we have. So it kind of just tells you about the assembly instructions and how all of this stuff works, Auto IQ. So let's see what it says about Auto IQ. Intelligent preset programs that combine unique blending and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Once a preset program is selected, it will start immediately and automatically stop when the blending is complete. To stop blending before the end of the program, press the currently active button again. So there you go. So basically this just does it for you if you use one of these preset buttons right here on the front. And then let's see what we have. So we have different smoothie recipes. Look at this, cinnamon coffee smoothie. Interesting. Gingered acai, fresh citrus margarita. Ooh, nice. We have what is this? So ice crush manual, spinach artichoke dip, broccoli cheddar soup, Bahama Mama. So it has a lot of smoothies, a lot of drinks, maybe some dips, things like that. So pretty cool. 30 different recipes. Look, taco night, Mediterranean chicken salad. So that's cool. So you have yourself a little quick start recipe guide and then your instruction manual. So that's the last couple things that come with it. So right now we're just going to go ahead and wash everything, and it'll be right back to show you crushing ice, and we're also going to make a smoothie. See you in a bit. All right, so now we're going to try out the perfectly crushed ice, and let's go ahead and press the button. Actually, we have to plug it in first. I haven't even plugged it in yet, guys. Go ahead and do that. Okay, power. Nice. And look, it only gives you the options that you can use. That's interesting. Let's go ahead and click on Ice Crush. Perfectly crushed ice. You ready? I think it made snow. I think we got snow, guys. I think I need to fill up the ice more. Check it out. I mean, it definitely blends, okay, because this is snow. This is like, this is incredible here. Look at this. I'm gonna make a snowball. That's amazing. That's pretty cool. Perfectly snowball ice. But wow, my other Ninja. I mean, I had another Ninja that actually pretty much broke it making snowballs one year because it was already old and it didn't make snowballs as good. So if you guys want to make snowballs, you could definitely do it. Go ahead and make a snowman. Look at this. There we go, guys. There's a snowman for you on Real Reviews. All right, so that's the perfectly crushed ice feature. Let's go ahead and put this down in here. Pretty cool. I don't know. I mean, it wasn't perfectly crushed ice, obviously, and I did make a gigantic mess, but like I said, I am a messy chef. Anyhow, it did actually make snow, so it can definitely blend. It can definitely chop your ice. I guess you're probably supposed to watch it a little bit better than I did. So, all right, guys, I want to mention that I actually found something out that's very important for you. I found out that the blades on the Ninja are very sharp. If you notice, I got a little cut right here on my hello finger. And I just wanted to let you know that I did the experiment, so you don't have to. Don't stick your finger inside of the Ninja blender. Just don't do it. I know I was making a snowman, and now, you know, whatever. So let's go ahead and try out the Smoothie Cup. So first thing we're going to do is, I don't know, you know, we have a lot of different ingredients here. Let's start out with some banana. I really like this banana, but maybe I won't drink it. Who knows? Let's see. Go ahead, just break a piece off. All right, there's some banana. Let's see what else we got over here. Let's get some pineapple. Ooh, look at this, guys. Chunks of pineapple. Pineapple. We're going to go ahead and grab a couple of pieces of strawberries here. Just throw those in there. Okay, what else we got here? We have some frozen blueberries. Ugh, I don't really like frozen blueberries, but whatever. Ooh, look at that. Frozen blueberries just like nasty. Fresh blueberries are much better. Let me rinse my hand. All right, with my paper towels. Paper towels, what a great invention. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. We have some, what is this? Beets? I don't know. Let's throw that in there. All right, we have a little piece of avocado. Throw that in there. And then we have some, what is this? Collard greens, I believe. Throw some collards in there. A couple pieces of that. We got some carrots down here. Excuse me, collards. Go ahead and throw some carrots in there. Hey! All right. Carrots, collards. Look at that. There we go. Okay. Pour a little bit of water. Do it from this side right here. Water. Now, guys, this is not a recipe. Do not follow this as a recipe. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing things. That's what I'm doing. Right? Make sure there's enough room in here, obviously, to put the top on. And one thing to take note of is that this blender base here is much bigger than the other blender base that I have. So none of the other stuff fits on it. It's not leaking. Okay, that's a good sign. Go ahead and get it in there. Crank it in there. Power it on. Okay, so now it gives us extract. We have the single serve cup. Let's go ahead and extract it. Here we go. All right, so there you have it. That probably didn't have to go through the whole cycle, but I wanted to see what it did at the end, so I just let it keep on going. But I'm gonna tell you right now, it did not shake. The base is not shaking at all. It's really, really stable. It is a little bit loud. I don't remember if my other one how loud it was, but I guess they're all kind of loud. But it is powerful. It doesn't seem to be struggling at all, and it really looks like it did a good job here. So See, we have is not leaking, so that's always good. Didn't leak anywhere. And this looks really good. Let's go ahead and dump this water. And it's not really a cup, but you know, whatever. We'll just use it anyway. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let's see it. Wow. It looks like it pours pretty good. That's made a mess here. I want to try the top. I do, but I want to see what it looks like, how it pours. So yeah, we made a mess. Whatever. Throw that in there. And now here's the top that it comes with. You go ahead and just screw this on. And now take note, it doesn't screw onto the outside. It's screwing onto the inside, actually. So if you're messy like me, you better clean your cup before you put the top on, or else you're probably going to wreck your clothes. So there you go. So the inside is where it's screwing into. So that's a little bit different. I think the other one was different than that. But it does have this nifty little lid. It can kind of like clip into place. So you can drink it. Let's try it. Tastes pretty good, actually, for all that stuff I just mixed together. And it's really, really smooth. Like it really, I mean, it mixed everything together. There's no like pieces of anything in here. So if you look at it, I mean, look at this. There's no pieces of anything. I mean, this is completely blended. Now, it's not juice because this isn't a juicer, but it blended everything together into a smoothie. If I would have thrown some ice into that, it would have been perfect. So anyhow, guys, I mean, it makes really nice smoothies. It can crush the ice like crazy. You can make snow out of it if you want. You know, throw snowballs around the house. I don't recommend it, but whatever. And I mean, I really like it. I'm looking forward to trying some more stuff. Maybe doing the dough. Maybe trying out some of the recipes and that it comes with here in the recipe book. But anyhow, that is the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. And I really like it. I definitely give this thing 2 thumbs up. If you need a new blender system for your house, I recommend this. It's roughly, I think, $200 or so on Amazon. And sometimes you can find a sale on it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time. Right, guys, something that I just realized after I was totally done here is that check this out right here. So I opened this up and I was going to try to get the ice out. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. That is so cool. That is just so cool. It kind of just like fused together. That's pretty neat. Anyhow, guys, there you have it. Ninja blender. Very cool. I like it.